Díomh is Mr. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic, and today let's learn how to say different in Irish. Here are the two words that are commonly used to mean different in Irish. Jif-roo-il. Jif-roo-il. Different. Jif-roo-il. Another word is ayg-soo-il. Ayg-soo-il. Repeat after me. Ayg-soo-il. Ayg-soo-il. Different. Both words can be used interchangeably. So let's use them in a sentence now. Léigh me leagan jif-roo-il. I read a different version. Repeat after me. Léigh me leagan jif-roo-il. Of course, you could also word it as Léigh me leagan éagsúil. Léigh me leagan éagsúil. Repeat after me. Léigh me leagan éagsúil. Want to improve your Irish? Why not take a free trial of Bite Size Irish Gaelic at www.bitesize.irish.